We're
Default
going to
text.
search for the Texas Education Agency on Google.
Once we're on the Texas Education Agency website, we'll search for STAAR release test questions. We'll then select the 2022 tab and from there, choose the grade level 3rd, 4th, and so on to locate the math test form. We now have access to the 2022 math test questions. Let's solve them one by one. Use do those same steps again for 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, and 8th grade.
Question number 1. John put a pie in the oven at 5:15 p.m. He took the pie out of the oven 35 minutes later. At what time did John take the pie out of the oven?
We added 35 minutes to the 5:15 p.m., hence 5:50 p.m. is the correct answer.
Question number 2. A town had 3 14/100 inches of rain during June. What is the value of the digit in the tenths place? J is the correct answer because 3.14. The tenths place is the first digit to the right of the decimal point, which is 0.1. Question number 3. An art teacher ordered 26 marker sets for his classes. There are 100 markers in each set. How many markers are in 26 sets? "26 sets times 100 markers equals 2600. So C is the correct answer. Question number 4. A drawing is shown. What does the drawing show? Option F. 2 line segments that appear to be parallel. The line segments have 2 endpoints, therefore F is the correct answer. H is not correct because those are not lines. G is not correct because the 2 line segments are not perpendicular. J is not correct because those are not lines.